The eraser is indispensable in drawing. The kneaded eraser is special. Being malleable makes it incredibly versatile. I'll show you 3 cool ways you can start using it right now. The usual thank you to those of you who supported my books, Pen and Ink Drawing a Simple Guide and the Pen and Ink Drawing Workbook. Thank you. A kneaded eraser being malleable means we can clean it easily and use it for much longer just by occasionally kneading and molding it. But it's just so versatile. So if we need it for small marks, broad marks, light marks, dark marks, it doesn't matter. We just mold it to whatever shape and size that we need. A quick reminder before you forget, like the video, comment, subscribe, share. Just a simple way to show you appreciate the content and want me to keep creating more videos for you. Thank you. A kneaded eraser can lift drawing media with just a light dab. No need to abrasively rub the surface. This means we can lighten marks gradually. Just dab the area lightly or use the eraser like a rolling pin. So how much it lightens an area depends on the pressure we apply and how many times we go over it. Knowing a kneaded eraser gives us control over how much we erase is very useful, especially when using an underdrawing as a guide. So basically, we create the underdrawing, then we use the kneaded eraser kind of like an opacity control switch to lighten the underdrawing just enough so we can see it, but it doesn't obscure our drawing over it. So hopefully you've already been using the kneaded eraser like this. If not, definitely try it. It's one of the most useful and versatile drawing tools, and if you know even more ways to use it, please share them in the comments. Okay everyone, thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell. I'll see you in the next video.